Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to clean the paper feed rollers of your Canon Pixma TS3150. Now these simple cleans I'm about to show you should be performed if you're having trouble with your printer feeding paper, it's not coming all the way through or it's getting jammed as your machine tries to pull a sheet through. This is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the buttons here and a couple sheets of paper. Now, first of all, we need to make sure that the power is on and the printer is otherwise ready to print. Now, later steps of this process do involve the paper I mentioned earlier, but to start off, we're going to do a paperless clean. So we'll whip that out. Then over on the printer itself, I'm going to press the setup button until 7 appears on the screen. So here we go. And with that done, we press either the black or the colour button. Now with the rollers finished rotating, we're going to take that sheet of paper, pop them back into the printer. Once we've done that, you'll see A4 and the paper icon flashing there. So we're going to press the paper select until either A4 or letter is selected. See, now it's got A4 again. And then we press OK. And then we press either the black or the colour button to get started. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And once the paper is ejected, you just press the stop button to finish the process. Now, obviously this process doesn't actually put anything on the paper and it can be repeated if you should so wish. Ideally, you'd use a clean sheet of paper every time, but it depends upon how much debris you can see on the physical rollers at the back. So I'll leave that up to your judgment. No ink or anything is used, so you can, in theory, just go through this process over and over again, pulling all that debris off of your roller and hopefully improving the printer's ability to feed paper. Now if you've done a few of these cleans, are still having issues and are feeling particularly brave, you can always unplug your printer, and if you look down here you can see there are 2 rollers, there and there. You can get like a moistened cotton bud and go in there and wipe those down and repeat that a couple times if needs be, but don't ever touch them with your fingers. But that's about all there is to see. Hopefully your paper is now feeding better. If it is, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.